Hello students, welcome to the Simplest Biology Hub, and today we continue the topic photosynthesis, and in photosynthesis lesson we continue with topic site of photosynthesis, where the actual process of photosynthesis takes place. From the lower classes we already studied that the process of photosynthesis takes place in green plant leaves. And in case of leaves, where they are present, here we draw the structure or anatomy of the leaves. This is the outer layer of leaves, we called epidermis, and the lower epidermis is also present. And in case of dicot plant, on only lower epidermis the stomata are located, while in case of monocot, on the both surface stomata are located. In middle of the leaf, a vascular bundle is located, that is the xylem and phloem tissues, and that tissues are responsible for the conduction of water and food materials. They are collectively called the vascular bundles, and these cells we called mesophyll tissue. Only one S is there, mesophyll tissue or mesophyll cells. So we select the one mesophyll cells out of them. This is look like that panda, and that mesophyll cells in present, that is the cell structure, mesophyll cell structure. In mesophyll cell or plant cell, one nucleus is located on the periphery, that is the nuclear region or nucleus. Then some cell organelles are there, cytoplasm is there, and out of that cell organelle, one cell organelle is also located, and which is responsible for photosynthesis, and that we called chloroplast. We already talked about the structure of the chloroplast in cell, the unit of life, or in cell is the fundamental unit of life. Now here we draw the rough structure of the chloroplast. Chloroplast is called autonomous structure. It has a double layered membrane around it, outer membrane and inner membrane. Inside it a liquid material is located or present. That liquid material, generally we called the term as a cytoplasm to there, but here we called it stroma matrix. It has some stacks or some bundles are arranged on each other, and they are scattered in all over the chloroplast, and that stacks are attached to each other by a lamellae patterns. Each stack is attached to the each other, that we called stroma lamellae. And here the complete stalk we called granum, and only one of them we called thylakoid body or thylakoid membrane. And actual the reactions of photosynthesis is takes place in the thylakoid membrane or thylakoid body. Chloroplast have some their own ribosome. They are scattered in the matrix, as well as they have a nuclear material in the form of DNA. It has its own DNA, it has its own ribosomes, that's why it has their own protein machinery, so it is called the self-duplicating unit. Okay, then photosynthesis, actually whenever we talk about the chloroplast, the two reactions are takes place in chloroplast. We talk about that reaction in chloroplast. The one reaction we call the light reaction, and the another we called dark reaction. In case of light reaction, light is essential for that reaction, and light reaction takes place in photosynthetic pigment. Where it occur? It occur in thylakoid membrane. And it actually, the formation of in light reaction, only the energy currency is formed here, and energy currency is nothing but the ATP and NADPH. These are the higher form of the energy. They are formed in the light reaction, and in case of light reaction, sunlight is converted into energy. Means sunlight is essential for that reaction. While dark reaction is opposite to it, and it is performed in stroma region of the chloroplast. Performed in stroma region using lots of enzymes, and that enzymes are already present in the chloroplast matrix. And what happened? It reduced CO2. We know that carbon dioxide we use as a raw material in photosynthesis. That CO2 is reduced in dark reaction, and it is converted into carbohydrate. It is reduced and form a carbohydrate. One thing we also add here, plants use only visible spectrum light. After splitting of the light, we know that the light has a number of zones: the infrared zone, then UV zone or ultraviolet zone, then visible zone, radiational zone. There are a number of the zones are there, but plants use only visible zone of the light, and the ranges of the visible zone is up to 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. From these spectrum, they use the light energy for the process of photosynthesis. Now the light reaction takes place in grana region of the chloroplast. It is the most important reaction we called. It takes place where it takes place? It takes place in grana part, or we call granum thylakoid. It is of two types: cyclic phosphorylation and non-cyclic phosphorylation. These are the two reactions of the light reaction. About the cyclic phosphorylation and non-cyclic phosphorylation we talk about in next video. I hope you understand the actual site of the photosynthesis. Okay, thank you.